Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical leather sofas, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from leather sofas, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best leather sofas from dependable brands. It's important to buy the sofas representing your values. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Shahoo Convertible Folding Futon Leather Sofa Bed. Looking for a versatile and stylish addition to your living space? The Shahoo Convertible Folding Futon Leather Sofa Bed is your perfect match. This sleek and modern futon features a tufted faux leather upholstery and a sturdy metal frame, offering both comfort and durability. With its adjustable backrest, you can effortlessly switch from a cozy sofa to a comfortable bed, making it ideal for small spaces and guests. Measuring 65-inch depth, 32-inch wide, 14-inch height, it's compact yet spacious enough to accommodate up to 2 people, with a 500 lb weight capacity. The futon also includes functional details like removable armrests and built-in cup holders, enhancing your lounging experience. Weighing 68 pounds, it's easy to assemble and fits seamlessly into any living room. Whether you need a stylish sofa or a practical bed, the Shahoo Convertible Futon is a smart choice for any home. Number 2. HIFIT Sofa Breathable Faux Leather Couch with upholstered cushions. Upgrade your living space with the HIFIT Sofa Breathable Faux Leather Couch with upholstered cushions. This modern love seat blends contemporary mid-century design with a classic brown color, making it a perfect fit for any home or office setting. With dimensions of 31.8-inch depth, 78.9-inch wide, this sofa offers spacious seating for up to 3 people and supports up to 800 pounds. Crafted from a sturdy, solid wood frame and featuring premium sinuous springs and high-quality foam padding, it ensures durability and lasting comfort. The faux leather upholstery adds a luxurious touch while being easy to clean and maintain. Enjoy deep, comfortable seating with a thick backrest and ergonomic design, complemented by 2 removable pillows for extra support. Assembly is a breeze, with all parts, tools, and instructions included in one convenient box. Experience comfort, style, and simplicity with a HIFIT sofa in your living space. Number 3. Signature Design by Larkinhurst Faux Leather Sofa. Enhance your home with the timeless elegance of the Signature Design by Larkinhurst Faux Leather Sofa. This traditional style sofa boasts a rich weathered faux leather upholstery in a warm earth tone, perfectly complemented by stylish rolled arms and nailhead trim for a classic look. Measuring 89 wide, 39-inch depth, 38-inch height, it offers spacious seating for up to 3 people, making it a great addition to any living room. Designed for both comfort and style, this sofa features a plush polyester or polyurethane blend cushion fill and generous back seating support, ensuring a cozy spot to relax. With a sturdy construction and a 600-ton weight capacity, it provides durability and longevity. Best of all, it comes partially assembled, so you can enjoy it right out of the box with minimal setup. Add a touch of sophistication to your space with the Larkinhurst sofa. Number 4. Poly and Bark Girona Leather Couch with Feather. Experience luxury and sophistication with the Poly and Bark Girona Leather Couch with Feather. This stunning sofa features full-grain, pure aniline or semi-aniline dyed Italian tan leather upholstery, offering a rich cognac tan color that enhances the natural beauty of the hide. As it ages, the leather develops a beautiful vintage patina, adding timeless elegance to any living room. Measuring 35-inch depth, 88-inch wide, 34-inch height, this sofa provides ample seating space and supports up to 750 lbs. The tailored button-tufted seat back and arms, along with a sturdy corner-blocked wooden frame, ensure both style and durability. High-density foam and polyester filling, along with a feather-down topper on seating surfaces, provide unmatched comfort. Designed with attention to detail, it features Pirelli webbing support, loose non-reversible seat cushions, and solid wood legs with a mahogany finish. Easy to assemble, the Girona leather couch is a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and style. Number 5. Ovios Mid-Century Modern Sofas. couches with comfy cushions. Elevate your living space with the Ovios mid-century modern sofa with comfy cushions. This three-seater futon showcases a minimalist, retro-inspired design with luxurious faux suede leather upholstery in a rich brown hue, making it a stylish addition to any office, loft, living room, bedroom, or apartment. Designed for comfort, it features an ultra-deep seat with thick, cotton-filled cushions, offering a cloud-like sitting experience perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. With a sturdy wooden frame, high-quality springs, and high-resilience sponge cushions, this sofa provides exceptional stability and long-lasting comfort while contouring to your body. Measuring 31.89-inch depth, 73.6-inch wide, the sofa supports up to 750 APS, making it a durable and versatile choice for any space. Plus, the removable cover ensures easy maintenance. Assembly is a breeze, with all components conveniently stored under the seat, allowing you to set it up in just 10 to 15 minutes. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.